This 5-minute solution will show you how to schedule text messages on iPhone. iPhone does not provide any built-in feature to schedule a text message, but we can schedule a text message using the shortcut app. First of all, make sure to install the shortcut app from App Store. Then open it. Then tap on Automation. Tap on Create Personal Automation. Tap on Time of Day. And here select the time. And you can select daily, weekly or monthly for repeat. I'm selecting here monthly and selecting the date and tapping on Next. And here tap on Send Message. And tap on Message and write here the message. Tap on Recipients and here add the recipient whom you want to send the message. Tap on Done. Tap on Next. You can enable Ask Before Running option from here. But I'm going to disabling this option. Don't ask and tapping on Done. And that's how we can schedule text messages on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.